cooking alive with freshly ground spices and nuts. The Cuisinart electric spice and nut grinder is so quick and easy to use. Just add the whole spice to the stainless steel pot. Pop on the lid and press down. The super-fast 200-watt motor grinds with ease. Making light work of nuts, herbs, marinades and sauces. Create your own exotic blends and chop to the perfect consistency for baking. Any leftovers can be stored using the dishwasher-safe bowls with airtight lids. Make authentic curries and dazzling desserts with a Cuisinart electric spice and nut grinder.